Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever had this amazing idea for a computer game but lacked the programming skills to make it a reality? I have good news for you. In this C# for Unity course, you are going to learn everything there is to know about creating a computer game with C#. Hi, my name is Andreas Metz and I'm a professional game developer. I've got a master's degree in teaching programming and psychology, and I've been teaching game programming for more than 10 years now. So I have plenty of experience and I know what works and what doesn't work when it comes to teaching people how to code. I still remember how it was when I opened Unity for the first time. I was completely overwhelmed. And if I think how many features have come to this engine over the years, I can only begin to imagine how you might feel if you open this program for the first time. The good news, however, is that I've had years to develop and iterate over this course, and I have battle tested it with my students. So I can with confidence say that this is one of the very best C# and Unity programming courses out there. And I don't just say that to lure you into buying it because of some marketing bullshit, but that's my actual conviction. My goal for this course was to create a coherent learning experience for professional programming techniques, starting at the very beginner level and stopping at quite some intermediate stuff. This whole course is completely project-based because, frankly speaking, that's the only way you can really learn programming, by doing it yourself. So we will start by creating some console apps, and the first app we're going to create is a so-called choose your own adventure. Basically a story that the console tells you, where you can then choose specific actions that you want to take, and the story then develops based on the decisions you took. After that, we're going to create a turn-based Pokemon fight where you let two Pokemon fight to the death. So once we've got a good grasp of the C# programming language, we move over to Unity and learn the basics of that. And of course, there are also a bunch of exercises and projects in the Unity section where we, for example, create a labyrinth game where you have to navigate through a labyrinth, and a shoot 'em up game where you shoot stuff from the skies. So if you are now eager to rocket start your C# programming skills in Unity, I have very good news for you. I'm currently running an early adopter sale for my course, and you can find the link in the description below. If you click on it, you will get a heavily discounted version of this course. Now be sure to act quickly, however, because this link will only be valid for a few days. So be sure to enroll right now, and I will see you in lesson 1.